up, y'all? Another episode of Clark Smith Adventures. I have no idea where the hell I'm at. I'm in Sparks, Maryland. Sparks, Maryland. I used to work up here years ago at this company called Crawford, Slevin and Hicks. And to this day, I have no idea what the hell I did there. Like, they just made us, like, push some papers around and shit. Just like, okay. Crawford, Slevin, and Hicks. Still have no idea what I did there. No clue. Let's go this way. Ow. Little shopping center. How is everyone today? I am fabulous. These are nice. Nice townhomes. These are expensive. Slow down, kids playing. What's your kid? How about that? I'm kidding. I'm joking. I have a really warped sense of humor. Oh, that's one of those Bronco soft tops. Those have been getting, first of all, I don't think I can't talk today. They've sold a lot of those cars. Two, those I've heard are so easy to break into. And a lot of people have, like, gotten their cars stolen. Look, right here, this one. It's nice. Should I drive it? What the heck? Yo, I guess this is how the other half live, yo. I guess this is how the other half live. I'm not quite sure. Cute little shopping center. I have no idea where the hell I'm at. Let's just follow. Oh, look at these apartments. Yay. They look nice. in Sparks, Maryland. I stumbled upon these big ass homes right across from the little shitty apartments. Interesting. Interesting, I shall tell you. That's nice. Ew. What the heck? That is weird. You got a little old church in the middle of a development. It's kind of cool though. Bad. These people got a fountain. Let me find out. Coming up to the church. Dude, that's just weird. I don't know. Interesting. I mean, daggone, was the developer that pressed to build back here that he's like, oh yeah, just leave the church? Like, it's just me. I don't know. Welcome to Baltimore County. They just do weird shit around here. I am rich. I am rich. I am so rich. I am wealthy. I have lots of money. I have lots of money in my pants. In my pants. I have lots of money. I have lots of money. In my pants. In my pants. I got money up my butt. I got money up my butt. Oh my God, I wonder if these people know Taylor Swift. For real. Gosh. It's awesome. Some big ass houses, y'all. I just like going through neighborhoods. Yeah, going another dead end, Jesus. That's pretty. I like that. I got lots of money in my pants. There's the crackhead apartments, and then here is the rich ass folk houses, like Home Alone houses, like it's like the Home Alone house. Shit. These people got 3-car garage. Oh shit. I'm not filming you. I'm turning around. Alright, y'all. Well, that was my little tour of the rich ass neighborhood in Sparks, Maryland. Maybe Hunt Valley. I don't know where the hell I'm at. But I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like. Smash the like. Smash it if you enjoyed the video. Alright, so love you all. Mwah. Bye.